If you are still spending 2 hours editing a draft that the AI spit out in 10 seconds, you are stuck in 2025. Right now, in July 2026, we don't just talk to AI, we architect the outcome. I'm going to give you 6 prompt fixes that will reclaim 5 hours of your work week by making the first draft the final draft. Subscribe. I drop a new AI workflow every week. The 2025 approach to prompting was asking and hoping. But as of July 2026, we know context is the layer that actually drives adoption. Knowledge workers spend 1/5 of their time, literally 1 day out of every work week, just searching for and gathering information. Stop making the AI search for your intent. Step 1. Upload your brand voice guidelines. Step 2. Attach 3 examples of winning past work. Step 3. Give it the specific data for the task. This is Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, and it makes the AI draft from your reality, not from generic internet slop. Most people give AI a generic role like act as a writer. That's a weak prompt. The current best practice frameworks call for a high-fidelity persona, not a label. Treat the AI as a coworker and a coach, not a search bar. Use this structure. You are a senior strategic copywriter with 10 years of experience in async remote teams. Your voice is direct and avoids corporate fluff. Give the model a professional history, and you set the tone before it writes a single word. The secret to human-sounding AI isn't what you tell it to do. It's what you tell it not to do. Modern models are incredible at following complex instructions, but they still default to AI-isms like delve or shaping the future. Use a negative constraint list. Do not use metaphors. Do not start sentences with "in today's fast-paced world." Do not use the word harness. This one fix alone can cut your manual editing time by 70% because it forces the AI onto more creative linguistic paths. Stop asking for the whole article in one prompt. Right now, loop engineering is becoming the standard for high-stakes remote work. Step 1. Ask for an outline. Step 2. Ask the AI to critique that outline for logic gaps. Step 3. Only then ask it to draft section by section. This mimics how humans actually work, and it stops the model from losing the thread in a long context window. A 2026 Stanford HAI study on AI-assisted knowledge work found productivity gains averaging 14%, and for novices, that jump can be as high as 34%. Once your loop is dialed in, the next bottleneck is repetition. That's where templates come in. If you're writing similar emails or reports every day, you need placeholders. Don't type a new prompt every time. Build a master prompt with variables like client name, project goal, and pain point. Pipe that straight from your Airtable into the prompt using a no-code tool like Make or Zapier. You stop being a writer and start being an orchestrator of a productivity shift that's reshaping entire industries. Finally, we have to talk about security. In July 2026, this isn't optional anymore. GitHub's 2026 security report described low-skilled attackers using AI coding tools to breach company systems through basic vulnerabilities. Major code platforms have already added AI prompt injection detection to their scanning engines to catch malicious instructions before they run. For you, this means never putting sensitive client passwords or PII directly into a prompt window, and wrapping your prompts in a safety layer before they touch production. Stack all 6 of these fixes, and that's your 5 hours back every single week. By 2027, being an AI native worker means being as secure as you are productive. You just upgraded your prompt game from basic chat to actual engineering. These 6 fixes are the difference between working harder and working smarter in 2026. Next week, I'm showing you the N8N custom script that cut my client onboarding from 3 hours to exactly 0. Subscribe so you don't miss that workflow drop, and I'll see you in the next one.